Welcome back guys to another tutorial. Today we're gonna see how to set up YouTube parental controls. First thing you need to do is to go to YouTube and sign in with your account. Click your profile image at the top right corner of the screen, then scroll to the bottom of the drop-down menu, then click Restricted Mode Off. To enable restricted mode, next to activate restricted mode, toggle the switch to on. And if you want to lock it, just click Lock Restricted Mode on this browser to prevent others from disabling it. You may be prompted to enter your password for confirmation. And you're done. YouTube will now filter out mature content on this browser. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.